Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show how to edit the color of social media icons in Bigcommerce. Customizing these colors helps match our branding and creates a more cohesive and visually appealing website design. Now let's get started. On the Bigcommerce dashboard, we go to the left side and select Storefront. Here it is, Storefront. There's a drop-down button. Just click it. Themes. After selecting Themes, we look for the Customize button. Here, as you can see, is the Customize for your website. Click this, and it will take us to the page. This is the Page Builder section. To edit the social media icons, click Theme Styles, then go to Header and Footer, and scroll down until you see the social media icons. We can choose to show or hide them, but to change the color, just scroll down more. Here, we can pick the color for the icon and background, heading color, foot text color, and text color. We can also change the 3 dates, the foot. Just configure this section. We can add the logo, the email, and the photo time. For example, let's change this to green. It will load, so let's wait for it to finish. Once done, we can see there are now green icons. We can also choose the vertex color, for example, blue. Wait for it to load. Just set your preferences. Once finished, click Save. After saving, that's how we change the color of social media icons in Bigcommerce. With just a few changes, we can align the store's design with our brand and improve its overall look.